Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury, performance and innovation with the all-new 2025 Pininfarina Battista. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels. Imagine a vehicle with nearly 1900 horsepower at your fingertips, capable of launching you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That's faster than most roller coasters. The Battista is driven by 4 electric motors, one on each wheel, giving it mind-blowing acceleration and unmatched handling. But this isn't just about speed, this is about redefining the driving experience. Let's talk about the battery for a second. The Battista comes equipped with a 120 kWh, providing a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. So whether you're cruising through the city or taking on the open road, the Battista has you covered. It's not just fast, it's also practical for a hypercar. And of course, you can't talk about Pininfarina without mentioning design. The 2025 Battista is a true work of art, with sleek, aerodynamic lines that scream elegance and power. Every detail, from the custom paint options to the luxurious interior materials, has been carefully crafted to make this car stand out from the crowd. Now, before we dive into more of what makes the Battista so special, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. If you're as excited about this car as I am, drop a comment below and let's talk about it. I want to hear your thoughts. Alright, let's get back to it. Inside the Battista, you'll find cutting-edge technology that keeps you connected and in control. The infotainment system is fully integrated with digital services, ensuring that everything you need is right at your fingertips. And with a focus on both safety and comfort, driving the Battista isn't just exhilarating, it's also incredibly refined. Remember, this isn't just any hypercar. The Battista is an ultra-limited edition, hand-assembled in Italy. Each car is a unique piece of automotive history, combining Pininfarina's legendary design with the future of electric mobility. So, if you're looking for the ultimate blend of performance, style and exclusivity, the 2025 Pininfarina Battista is the car of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.